A little TLC goes a long way, and a car care service plan is just what your car needs to keep you on the go. Depending on what you choose, car care service plans may include oil and filter changes, brake cleaning and adjusting, tire rotation, and a multi-point vehicle inspection. Plus, you get a Driver's One Card membership, with Cross Country Motor Club offering you additional benefits such as 24-hour roadside assistance, emergency towing, lost key replacement, trip planning, travel discounts, and much more. All you have to do is schedule service and maintenance visits in advance at a time that's convenient for you. Then, just bring your coupon book to the service department to redeem maintenance services. Or, you can always ask a service advisor for help. It's that easy. Having the car care service plan can get you in and out of the service drive and back on the road in a flash. Then, enjoy cruising through life knowing you've helped protect your investment. That's peace of mind every car owner deserves. Want to learn more about car care service plans? Speak to a dealer representative for more details.